Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, October 11th. The Zen story for today is titled The Gate That Asked Nothing. The trees thinned and the air took on a kind of a hush usually reserved for sacred things or deep mistakes. At the edge of a clearing stood a tall gate carved from black wood, inlaid with veins of silver and old ash. Two guards flanked it, one tall, one taller, both still as statues, their robes long like curtains. The monkey stepped forward first, puffed his chest, gave a respectful nod. "We are on a very important journey," he said, trying to sound both reverent and in charge. "May we pass?" One of the guards raised a hand. "Answer this," he said. "What is the sound of one hand clapping?" The monkey lit up. "Oh, I know this one." He clapped one hand against his thigh. He clapped it against his chest. He waved it in circles like a conductor missing his orchestra. "No? Not good enough? How about this?" He smacked a tree trunk, snapped his fingers, blew raspberries. The guards did not blink. "Maybe," the monkey said, "it's a metaphor for incompleteness, or unity, or loneliness dressed as noise." He looked to the monk. "Come on, help me out." But the monk was quiet. Then he stepped forward. He lifted one hand, held it in the air, let the wind slip through his fingers. Then slowly he leaned in and whispered something the monkey could not hear. The gate opened, just enough. The monk walked through. The monkey stood frozen, mouth ajar, then scampered after him. On the other side, the path curved into shadow. "What did you say?" the monkey asked. The monk paused, looked at his hand, closed it into a fist. "I didn't," he said. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe gently close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. Have you ever mistaken movement for meaning when stillness was the true key? Have you ever mistaken movement for meaning when stillness was the true key? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Have you ever mistaken movement for meaning when stillness was the true key? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.